How to hide friends on Facebook iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to hide friends on Facebook, then firstly open the Facebook application on your device and then tap on the menu option in the bottom right of your screen. Here, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for settings and privacy. Tap on that and then tap on settings. Scroll down and you will see the option for audience and visibility. Under that, tap on how people find and contact you option. And now you will see the option for who can see your friends list. Tap on that drop down and here, if you want only your friends to see your friend list, then tap on friends. If you want your friends to see your friend list except for a few friends, then tap on friends except. And choose the friends you do not want to see your friend list. If you want only a specific friends to see your friend list, then tap on specific friends and select the friends. Or if you do not want anyone to see your friend list, then tap on only me. And this is how you can hide friends on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.